How to get Facebook marketing remote job as a beginner. Among all the social media sites exist today, Facebook will be go ahead. So that's why we can say Facebook is the most popular social media website in this world. And numerous business organizations do their marketing activities based on Facebook. As a result, the demand for Facebook marketer is increased day by day. If you have little technical knowledge about Facebook, you can earn big amount of money by doing remote job from your home. And if you want to get remote job, you can follow these 4 steps. Number 1, be skilled. Without skill, nothing can't be happen. So, of course, you need minimum of skill by doing remote job. But don't worry, I already input my blog post on this video description. Need to check it out, because with that I have a bonus tips that you will get instant remote job without nothing. You will get all the training with that. And that is not mandatory. If you want, you can build your skills by watching some free YouTube video, by reading few blog posts, or you can also join some group to learn Facebook. Number 2, open freelance marketplace profile. Marketplace is the best way to get a remote job. Here is the option you will get on this job, and all the business owners are looking for an expert to manage their business. So if you want, you can open your profile on Upwork and Fiverr to get remote job. Sometimes getting remote job from freelance marketplace can be difficult because there are already lot of expert on there. So if you are beginner, you need to do few struggle fast. But don't worry, you don't forget to check this video description and check out my blog post. You will get remote job instantly. Number 3, do your own marketing. If you are really serious about remote job, you need to do that. You can utilize your social media to build your authority and do your own marketing. The most popular social media for marketing yourself are YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. You need to share technical tricks and tips regularly that attract your customer, and then probably you will get client. Number 4, seeking a direct client and offer your service. Yes, I'm not wrong. If you want, you can do that. For example, you are a Facebook marketing expert and you want to target e-commerce, and Shopify business owner will be your more targeted audience and customer. And how you can do that? You can find Shopify store owners and find their email address and write a professional email to them, and you will get client from them because they actually want to scale up their business. And if you don't know how to find the Shopify store list, you can check out this video description. I already collected a lot of store list on there and listed. If you want, you can collect them from there. And that's all for today. If you found this video was useful, then don't forget to give thumbs up. And if you want to see more video from me, then consider subscribing to this channel, because it will help me to continue working on this channel. My name is Nasim, and I will see you on the next video. Till then, bye. Have a good day.